How to share SoundCloud music to your Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share SoundCloud music to your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the SoundCloud app. Now play the music you want to share on your Instagram story. And open the music and tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner. Here you will see the option of Instagram story. Tap on it. Now you just have to tap on your story or close friends. And this is how you can share SoundCloud music to your Instagram story.